Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you enable Pins you save mentions notifications on your Pinterest app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, you just go down, click on this sign down here. When you click on this sign, it's going to take you to your profile. You go up of your image or photo profile, click on it. So when you just click on your photo profile or your image, it's going to take you to this list. Click here on notifications. Then it's going to take you to this list. You will find here pins you saved, and you click on mentions here, and here can you click here on mentions, and so then here can you enable it for push, and here can you enable it for in-app. Like you say, pins you saved, mentions, notifications enable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.